Ah, okay. Yes, perfect. Do you want a photo? No.
Dito ka muna.
Hindi makat eh. Naman ka naman.
Look at this.
Matro.
I-focus mo to. Kita. Tamo.
진짜.
We're in Mount Fuji. Oh, hi guys. Dito na tayo sa Mount Fuji, and this is my experience of coming to Mount Fuji. So, actually, dahil sa pagod namin kagabi, sabi namin mag-research kami. Pero, hindi ka lang mag-research. Late na rin nagising. So, nakalis kami ng hotel namin ng around 10 na. Nag-breakfast kami sa Lawson. Siyempre, bumili na kami ng mga what's this? Bili kami ng sandwich. Masarap siya yung strawberry sandwich. And siyempre yung sushi na nakarap sa ano pa yun? Rice ball. Sushi. Then juice and water. Dala namin dito. So, pumunta kami dito. Siyempre, kailangan namin alamin ng station kung saan kami pupunta. Bus terminal. So, pumunta kami sa Shinjuku Sky Travel Information. Malapit lang naman po siya sa Uniqlo sa JR Express Train Station. Magkakalapit po sila. So doon, pinapi po nila sa amin yung trip kung saan kami pwedeng makasagay ng bus at saan kami pwedeng makabili ng ticket. So, 4th floor, punta kami sa 4th floor. Alam niyo po ba, simula nung makarating kami ng Japan, lagi kami, we don't have sense of direction. Lagi kami nawawala. 4th floor, sabi naman, lakad kami, punta kami ng escalator, punta kami. Pagdating namin, 5th floor na pala. So, nagtanong ulit kami ng information, ng instruction. So, bumaba kami. So, escalator kami. And then, pagbaba namin, nandun yung information booth, tsaka ticketing area. So, bumili kami ngayon ng ticket. Updates po, dati 2,000 lang, 2,000 yen per adult ang bus fare. Pero ngayon na po, naging 2,200. So, yun po yung ating update. Ganun din sa mga nakita ko sa JR Express Station bus, train rate, tumaas din po ata. Tumaas din po siya. And, nung nakabili po kami, supposed to be nasa 10:45 kaming Hostess bus, pero fully booked na po daw. So, ang next po na available is 11:45. So, doon po kami nakasakay. Karating po kami dito sa may talaga ako marunong sa pangalan ng ano. Sorry. Basta yung sinabi ko kanina, iyan ko siya. Around 1:30. Tapos, bumili ko kami ng nagtanong-tanong mo kami sa information desk regarding pupunta po dito sa Ropeway. Sinabi very friendly po mga Japanese. They, nakakaintindi po sila. They can communicate well when it comes to foreign or foreign nationalists or tourists. So, the foreigners, I mean, kung magtatanong-katanongin ka nila ng English, tatanong sila ng English. Kung hindi sila marunong, tatawagin nila yung kasama nila nakakaintindi at sila ang sasagot sila. Yun yung na-experience namin. So, nung pagpunta namin dito, ako naman, mahilig kasi ako pumunta sa mga tao. Pag maraming tao, dun ako. So, tama yung lane na inano ko siya. So, pagpunta namin dito, pagtaas, and ito na po ang aming nakita. Yung bus fare po is 160. We're gonna experience yung pagoba. Yung dito po is 900. Yan. So, bye-bye.
Actually, hindi malamig ngayon. Ah? Kaya tignan mo, malabo ba? Snow. O, binibidyohan ni Snow yan. Sa ano pa? Sunday. Oo. Nakita mo na. Ganda siya. Ito po. Ano ko yun? Ito. In-accept nila yun. Ay, hindi. Panoorin mo sa YouTube, ina-accept yun. Hindi pwede, bawal. Ang mas lang.
Be proud, bro. Be proud. You did it. Ultimate goal. You too, you should be proud.
Go to the lake.
Bababa na tayo. Let's go down. Ito tayo. Goodbye, Mount Fuji. We'll see you again. Wala tayo sa cable car. Ay, ako sa road. Ano? Oh, wait. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng ticket. Wait natin sa ibang ito na naman. I'm going to hear your flight. Fear of flight. Ano, heights.
Please wait in three rows and proceed one step at a time behind the person in front of you. Thank you for your cooperation.
ทำไมเราไม่หิว
คนดู
ถ้าเปิดเข้าโรงแรมแล้วเดินกินแถวโเดี๋ยวฟ้าเดินไม่ไหวก็พานี่ไปเล่นก่อนนะ แล้วเดี๋ยวขับรถมาส่งนะไปแล้วนะคะกำลังลงไป
ลงแล้วนะลง You're going down ว่าชิบบอกสูงเหมือนกันอะไรนะทำไมชนไหมชนไหม
ต้องขายเย็นๆเลยเนาะเนาะเขามีแอร์อากาศ
คนที่มันลงมาไม่ทันตื่นมา
นี่เหรอ
มันต้องมีเทรคกิ้ง
มันก็ยังมีแบบมาได้แล้วแต่ว่ามันก็
ไม่นี่คือขึ้นมารับอย่างเดียวไม่มีคนขึ้นมาแล้วไง
ใช่ก็ต้องระดับ
On back. Karating lang namin galing sa Phuket ng Mount Fuji. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa station. Ngayon, nagugutom ako. May nakita kami nagugutom ako pero may nakita kami.
Ano ba ito? Paano ba?
Tapos, yan. Tapos nakalagay cash only. Hindi namin kung ano. Restaurant ba yan? Restaurant ba yan? Saan ba natin kain?
Hanap tayo ng iba.
So, ito na nga guys. Nakakita tayo ng kakainan natin. Oh, no. Okay. So,
你没有要去逛啊？就在这边。那这个有下班。
How is it?
okay. Next.
いきなり。
No?
はい、1名さんご来店です。
40 minutes. Okay. Like this. Can we try this one? Soba noodles. Then, which one do you like? Huh? Huh?
Big serving, really?
They said it's a big serving, so we could share that one, right? This one assorted. Or this one?
Just same last time.
Huh?
So with that one.
Is this a tax-free?
No.
Oh, it's not? Ay, ito mag-fast na kami. Mag-order kami ng touchscreen. Anong gusto mo dyan? Next day. So, ito na guys. Dumating na ang ating order. Yakin ay this one soba.
Okay.
And vegetable din. So, onion, vegetable, and spice. Ang sarap siya guys. Sarap sa mga.
I had the script.
Try nyo to. Try it. And then, soba. Depende kung ano gusto nyo.
Does it come in the vegetable? Does the pepper come in the vegetable?
The best. Ito yung second. Siyempre, yung ating Katsu Ichiran Ramen ang the best pa rin. Second sa akin. So, good. Thumbs up. Hello guys. May
Jacket
gusto ko.
ka na.
Pa-jacket na ako kasi medyo maginaw ng konti. Maginaw ng konti. Gusto ko i-try to. Parang yan yung mga ihaw-ihaw. Ano yan? Saan natin? Street foods natin sa Pilipinas. Try natin. Oh. Wala namang face mask.
Correct. Nahaban?
Wow, joking. Nakahandal na to.
Okay, I said okay.
Huh? You like that?
Hindi, lumapit ka na para makita mo.
Sensei, what is that? I do not know. You are.
棉蟹哪里？也是一些另外蟹，那个蟹不一样。
How much is this strawberry? Yeah, no.
For example,
Oh, no, that one. Yeah.
害怕不好。这个当
那个很像我们对面那个店。他们买。
Oh, this one? 400.
ありがとう。
Strawberry.
Okay.
hindi pwede kumakain.
Okay, we'll try to eat this one with the marshmallow part. This is strawberry with chocolate. Kami talaga niyang kombinin niya dito.
Structure mo sa problem.
Nag-dessert na rin ako. Hindi kasama to sa... Ha?
200.
400 yen divided by 2. So, 200 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Magkano yan? 40 isa. Mahal na ano, no? Na strawberry to. Kain tayo.
Okay.
Right guys, this will conclude our night. Ito na po yung uwi natin papunta Shinjuku. So from last trip po ito ng Kamaguchi ko going to Shinjuku. Last trip na po. 8 then mga rin tayo ng 10. Ito na. Hello guys, good morning and good morning. Good evening pala. Kararating lang namin galing from Mount Fuji. So nandito kami ngayon sa Shinjuku Station. Station and ano yung isa? Bus terminal na natin. Tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo naman. Alam na, meron dami pa rin ako. Alam sa amin kung sinusulpot.
옆에 있어.